Hey guys, what is up everybody? I'm Seshil and you're watching the channel Tackle Cravings. So today we're going to be looking at this crunchy and delicious potato snack. It's great for party snacks, evening snacks and all time. So without any further ado, we'll get right into it. So first step, we'll be needing 4 boiled potatoes and I have peeled them, and now so that we can work on that, we will mush it by using my hands. You can use any other tool you want, but I'm just going to use it with my hands today. And I'll be needing 1 onion chopped and 1 green chili chopped. This is optional. If you really like spice, you can add to it. And half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of peri masala, again it's optional, and chili powder 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Here I'll be adding 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. You can also use maida or flour, and I'll give a mix using spatula. Here I have dried parsley leaves. You can use coriander, you can use fresh parsley leaves, but I didn't have, so I've used these. So after mixing, it should look like a dough like this. And now we will roll it out into our pan. Here I have a pan and we're gonna roll it into small pieces. You can obviously, according to your preferences, you can make your own shape. Here I'll just go little oblong shape. After making the oblong shape, we will proceed with the next step. Now for our outer coating, here I have 1/4 cup of maida. To that I'll be adding a teaspoon of chili powder and 3/4 cup of water, and it should be really liquid consistency so that it will be easy for us to dip and coat it with. Here I have breadcrumbs, which gives our outer coating very crunchy, and here I have our potatoes. Please do follow the instructions which I am showing you here. First I'll take the potato, I will dip it onto the flour mixture, and then I'm coating it with the breadcrumbs. Now likewise you have to do it for all that. And please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Now here I have some oil we're gonna fry, and I have put some small pieces to check if the oil is ready, and then now I'm proceeding with the other potatoes and I'll be deep frying them. Now as you see here, it turned out very golden and crispy. Now it's ready now. Now I will transfer it to a plate lined with tissue papers to absorb the extra oil. Now it's ready. You can eat this with ketchup or any sort of chutney you like. And you can go with extra modification if you want. You can use corn, cheese, they will be absolutely great. So if you enjoy watching this video, please make sure to like, share, comment, and also do subscribe to my channel for more. And hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new videos. Definitely do give this recipe a try. Until then, ciao!